Hi, hello viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Ravi. In this video, I would like to explain about Python programming language part 2. But before going to that, a small request. Those who are visiting first time to my channel, please subscribe my channel and share it to your friends. And for my latest update videos, press on that bell icon also. Now let us see the concept Python part 2. So here in the part 1 we have discussed about how to install the Python software in computer. Okay, now let us see Python programming language. Okay, here a programming language is there na? So let us discuss some basics about this programming language. So what is program, what is programming, what is software, and what is language? Okay, right. See here, first of all, let us see what is a program. Program is nothing but a set of data and instructions is called a program. So what is meant by data? So data is nothing but it might be a 0 to 9 numbers, or it may be a to Z alphabets, or it may be a symbols which are on the keyboard. That's we are calling as the data. And what is meant by instructions? Instruction is nothing but, so we have a data and what we have to do with that data and how we have to do with that data, that we are calling as the instructions. That means a program is nothing but a set of data and these instructions, so we are calling as a program. We are calling a program. Next one. So what is mean by programming? What is mean by programming? Programming is nothing but arranging the data and instructions as per the user requirements is called programming. That means we have a data and instructions also. So what we are doing? So we are arranging this data and instruction as per our requirements. As per our requirements or as per the user requirements, we are arranging this data and instruction. So that is we are calling as the programming. That is the difference between program and programming. So program is nothing but set of data and instructions. Simple. So then what is programming? Arranging that same data and instruction as per our requirement. That is we are calling as the programming. Okay, right. The next one is what is a software? What is a software? It is a collection of programs. It is a collection of programs. Then what is program? Program is a set of data and instructions. Okay, software is nothing but a collection of programs. Okay, then what is program? A set of data and instruction, that is we are calling as the program. And next one is, see here, what is language? What is language? So we know that there are so many types of languages are there, like English, Hindi, Marathi, Telugu. So many languages are there. So what is the purpose of these languages? Means the purpose of these languages is to communicate each other. To communicate each other. So we are using these languages like English, Hindi, Marathi. Okay, we are using these languages. Then what about here the programming language is there? So what is the purpose of this language? Okay, let us see. See here, so the purpose of this language is, it is also a software. That is, man, programming language is also a software, is used to write the programs. Okay, here the programming language, what is the purpose of this programming language? Means it is also a software and it is used to write the programs. The purpose of programming language is to write the programs. A collection of programs is called software. Yes, we know that a collection of programs is called as software. Hence, the softwares are designed by using languages. That means the purpose of this programming languages is to design a software. We are using these languages. Okay, so that is the purpose of language here, programming language. Okay, here we are basically three types of languages are there. Here we are having three types of languages. The first one is machine level language, and the second one is low level language, and the third one is high level language. Okay, let us see one by one. So what is machine level language, and what is low level language or assembly level language, and what is high level language? The first one is machine level language. Let us see what is meant by a machine level language. The machine level language is designed by using 0 and 1. Hence, they are very critical to understand. Here, machine level language is nothing but computer. Okay, so computer understandable language is called as machine level language. So computer don't understand any language like Hindi or Telugu or Marathi or Bengali. Okay, so these languages are not understood by computer. So computer can understand only one language, that is called as machine level language. It consists of only zeros and ones. That's why it is very critical to understand. That is we are calling as the machine level language. The language which is understandable by the machine, that language we are calling as the machine level language. It consists of zeros and ones. So this is about a machine level language. So then what about the low level language? Low level languages, let us see. The low level languages are designed with a special kind of words known as mnemonics. See here, mnemonics. Okay, mnemonics. What is the meaning of mnemonics? Mnemonics is nothing but shortcuts. The low level languages are designed with a special kind of words known as mnemonics. Here M is silent. So example for that is while chatting we use type shortcuts like PLZ, please, and instead of thank you, just we will type TQ. So this kind of words we are calling as mnemonics. When compared to the machine level language, it is somewhat easy. That is low level language. Okay, it is designed with a special kind of words that is called as mnemonics. Mnemonics is nothing but shortcuts. What about the last one, high level language? The high level languages are designed by using simple English, hence they are very easy to understand. See here, high level language is nothing but it is designed by using a very simple English. That's why they are very easy to understand. Which language? High level language. So example for high level languages are the C language and C++, Java, and even Python also high level language. That means they are in very simple English and very easy to understand. Okay, so this is about the languages. Now let us see about the Python. Okay, so when compared to any other languages in the world, Python is very easiest language. Keep this point in mind. Python is very easy language. Okay, when compared to C language, when compared to C++, when compared to Java also, Python is very simple and easiest language. How means? Let us see. Okay, so another one is, see here, Python is a general purpose high level programming language. Python is a high level programming language, general purpose high level programming language. So now only we discuss that high level means it is very easy. It is in simple English and very easy to understand. Python is a general purpose high level programming language we are telling. So what is the meaning of high level programming language? High level is nothing but it is in very simple English and it is very easy to understand. And then what about general purpose? What is the meaning of general purpose here? Okay, so what is the meaning of general purpose? So general purpose means, the meaning of general purpose is we can use this Python in different purposes. We can use this Python in different purposes. By using this Python, we can design different types of applications. That is the meaning of general purpose. General purpose is nothing but in various fields, in various purposes, we can use this Python. Okay, now let us see. Using Python, see here, using Python, we can design different types of applications. Like by using Python, we can develop the software development. By using Python, we can develop the web applications like web development. And in scientific computing also, we are using this Python. And in artificial intelligence also, we are using Python. And the fifth one is games. So whatever the games are there today, popular games, for designing that games also, they are using a Python programming language. And the next one is, see here, desktop or desktop applications also, so they are using Python. Okay, and for, we know that well known YouTube. Okay, for YouTube also they are using the Python programming language, and in NASA also, so they are using Python programming language. That means we have so many different applications are there. Okay, so by using this one Python programming language, we can design so many different applications. Okay, so that is the beauty of Python programming language. Okay, right. So next one is, see here, who developed Python? Who is that great man? Means Guido van Rossum. Guido van Rossum so developed this Python programming language. Okay, so in the year 1989, when he was at National Research Institute in Netherlands, he developed this Python programming language, Guido van Rossum, but it is available for public from the year 1991. Okay, he developed in 1989, but for the public it is available from the year 1991. So now once let us see that great man picture once. See here, so he is the Guido van Rossum. So we have to thankful this great person. Why? Because throughout the world today, so many applications are designing with Python. Not only we have seen for YouTube also, they are using Python. For NASA also, they are using Python. Okay, he is the Guido van Rossum. Right? Right. It is highly recommended language. That means if a person want to enter into the software side, IT industry, so which language is preferable or recommended? Means definitely we can go for Python. That's why it is highly recommended language. The biggest advantage of Python is we can write the program very easily and with less code. Yes, in other languages 10 lines or 15 lines, but in Python 2 to 3 lines we can write the program. Yes, see here, the biggest advantage of Python is we can write the program very easily and with less code. Suppose the same code if we want to write in other languages, it takes 10 to 15 lines, but whereas in that same program we can write in Python 2 to 3 lines. Okay, so that is the greatness of Python. So let us see one example. See here. See here, for example, a small program, welcome program. That means I want to display a welcome in the output. To display welcome, suppose Java is there, for example. In Java, we have to write this much code for a simple welcome program. To display welcome in the output, so we have to write this much program in Java. See here, public class, public static void main string args system.out.println. So this 4 lines code we have to type just for simple welcome displaying program. It is very difficult to learn Java. Why? Because if a person came and he want to learn Java. So the first program we have shown like this means he may come so many doubts. What is this class? What is this public? What is this static? What is this void? What is this main? We have to explain all these things. So that's why it is very difficult to learn Java. After typing this program, we have to compile that program, we have to run that program, and we have to see the output in Java. The same program in C language also. Once you observe here, in C language also, see here, hash include stdio, void main, so printf. Here also, we have to type 4 lines program for a simple welcome program. That means we have to display welcome in the output. Here also we have to type 4 lines program. But whereas in Python, let us see for simple welcome displaying how much lines. So see here. So now I'm opening the Python. We have to see here Python. We have to click on the IDLE. See here, IDLE, this one, Integrated Development Learning Environment. That means, so whenever you install the Python in your computer, these 4 will be there, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you want to write the programs in Python, so we have to click on IDLE. Okay, so now I am clicking on IDLE. See here. Okay, IDLE. See here. So this is the Python window. See here. Okay. So now you observe here. Okay. So this is the Python prompt. Here I am typing the program. See here. Simple statement. print open bracket. So what we have to display in the output? Welcome, simple, welcome, simple program. Okay, only one line statement. See here, only one line statement. See here. See, print, only in one line I have typed. Now let us see the output. See here, just I am pressing enter. See, automatically here it is displaying the welcome. Now you observe how much easy this Python is. Even for 5th class, 4th class students also they can learn Python. That is the beauty of Python. So when compared to all other languages like C, C++, Java, so now only we have seen for a small displaying a welcome we have to type 4 to 5 lines code. But whereas here only you observe here only this one line code. So this we have typed print welcome, enter button. See, automatically it is displaying welcome. But whereas in C and C++ Java, we have to type that 4 to 5 lines code. After that, we have to compile the code. After that, we have to execute the code. Then we have to see the code. This is the process. Okay. So this is about this video. If you have any doubts or any queries regarding this topic, keep in comment section. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share it to your friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day.